How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be talking about Sound Hound AI and how they're gearing up for a potential 98% move higher. So we're going to be following my trading strategy that I use, which is the 5 for 5. When we get 5 of 5 of my indicators all lining up on a single company, it tells me and triggers me to go ahead and get in a position with shares and options at different price points with a little bit of hedging in there. But essentially, what the first 5 for 5 indicator is going to be some sort of chart pattern that we are breaking out of or breaking out of and retesting, which right here we have a symmetrical triangle that's been forming since about March of this year. And we've kind of been getting tighter and tighter, and we finally popped over about last week, or sorry, this Monday, and then we had a retracement back to retest, successfully retested, bounced a little over 5% higher today, 6% higher today, and we are now above this nice volume shelf right here with a nice leading us into the second indicator, which is a nice volume gap, um, volume gap, and also almost to the top of your symmetrical triangle is going to be our first price target of $8.11. And we then are going to move on over into our MACD. Our MACD has crossed the zero line with that breakout, has come back, but is still above the zero line and is continuing higher after coming down, not crossing back down through, which would be a bear signal. We bounced and we are still heading higher with a bounce off and a retest off the symmetrical triangle. We have higher highs, or sorry, higher lows inside the RSI, and our stochastic here is uptrending through the between the 80 and 20 line, which is really where we want to get into a trade and ride this thing for the next couple of days, weeks, or a month. Usually, this is going to be about a swing trade I'm looking to do on this name. So as you can see, we have 5 different indicators all lining up with my 5 for 5 strategy, meets everything. And our first price target is going to be $8.11, with our next price target going to be about $9.93. And how I got to this number, the $9.93, is by measuring the top to the base of the symmetrical triangle and putting that on over here with the breakout, giving it the same measurement, and having 490 bars up to a 98% return on investment. And I have it measured out here for the daily time, about 206 days. We're looking at about May 9th, 2025. It could take this long, right, to have this move happen, but I believe with these small cap names, they can go pretty fast, as we saw with QuantumScape today. It's up 26% in one day. So when these names get moving, they get moving fast, and you want to be in them before they spring off this volume shelf and through the volume gap, not after. I hope you guys enjoyed this little analysis on Sound Hound AI. If please like, follow, and let me know what other companies you're looking at or you want reviewed. Thanks.